Good morning, kids. Come to the kitchen.
Good morning, Mom. What are we making?
I hope it's something yummy.
Good morning, family. What's special today?
Today, I will teach you Grandma's recipe.
Wow, Grandma's recipe! I'm so excited!
I love Grandma's cookies.
Grandma made the best cookies. You will love them.
Here are your aprons. Now we are ready. This recipe is from your great-grandmother. Look, we need flour, sugar, eggs, and butter.
Mom, what is flour? Is it like snow?
Flour is a white powder for baking.
Can I help carry the ingredients?
Yes, please bring me the eggs. We need a big bowl and a spoon. First, we mix the flour and sugar.
I'm mixing. Look, Mom, I'm doing it.
Good job. Keep mixing in circles.
It's getting smooth, like magic.
Yes, mixing makes it smooth. Now we crack the egg into the bowl. I'm scared. What if I break it wrong? It's okay. Just tap it gently.
Look, I did it! The egg is in!
Great job, Jack. Your turn, Anna.
I did it too. I'm not scared anymore.
I'm so proud of you both. Now we add the soft butter.
The batter looks perfect.
Yes, now we need to rest it.
How long do we wait?
We wait for 10 minutes. We preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
I can't wait to taste them.
They will be so delicious.
The batter is too wet. We need more flour.
Oops, I spilled the flour everywhere.
It's okay. We can clean it up. Slowly add flour and mix gently.
Like this, Mom?
It's sticking to the rolling pin.
We need to flour the surface first.
Can I have a turn after Jack?
Yes, we take turns. That's being patient.
We only have 3 cookie cutters.
We can make different shapes with our hands.
Look, I made a heart and a star.
Beautiful. Homemade is special.
This one broke! It's too hard!
That's okay. Practice makes perfect.
I'll try a simple circle now.
That's the spirit. We have too many cookies for one pan. We can bake in 2 batches. Now we put the cookies in the oven. We set the timer for 12 minutes.
Are they baking? I can't see well.
They're getting brown. Look.
Time's up. The cookies are ready. Be careful. It's very hot inside.
Wow, it smells so good.
It smells like Grandma's cookies.
Look at these golden cookies.
It's still hot. I breathe on it.
It's delicious. I love it.
It's the best cookie ever.
You did it. Grandma would be proud.
Look how beautiful they are.
We made them ourselves.
Something smells amazing in here.
Let's share these cookies together.
Dad, try my cookie. I made it.
This tastes like home.
Grandma made these cookies every Christmas.
I ate these cookies when I was your age.
When I have kids, I'll make this recipe.
Me too. We'll keep Grandma's recipe. Thank you, Mom, for teaching us.
You're the best mom ever.
I love you both so much. We clean up together. That That's being responsible.
Same time tomorrow for more baking?
Yes, I want to learn more recipes.
Maybe we can make a cake.
This vase was my grandmother's. It is very special to me.
Kids, be very careful around Mom's vase.
Yes, Dad. I will be very careful with it.
You can look at it, Jack, but please don't touch it. It is very fragile and old.
I understand, Mom. We will take good care of it for you.
We'll be right back. Please behave.
Don't touch the vase, okay? We'll be back very soon.
Jack, don't touch it. Remember what Mom said about being careful?
I just want to see it closer. Just one tiny touch won't hurt. No, the vase! It's falling down! I'm so sorry. Oh no, what do I do? How do I fix this?
If Mom doesn't see it, she won't be sad. Maybe I can fix it somehow.
Jack, what are you doing? Why are you so nervous and jumpy? Jack, is this from Mom's vase? Did something happen here while they were gone?
No, I didn't do anything wrong. I was just sitting here the whole time.
Jack, are you telling me the whole truth? You look very strange right now. Jack, you should tell the truth to Mom and Dad. Lying is not good, and they will understand.
Anna, I need to tell you something important that I haven't been honest about. Anna, I broke the vase completely. It was an accident when I was trying to touch it.
I know now, Jack. It's okay, because accidents happen to everyone.
Should we tell Mom and Dad together? I'm too scared to do it alone.
Yes, we will tell them together.
I'm very scared, but I want to be honest and tell them what really happened. Mom, Dad, I have something very important to tell you all. Mom, I broke your special vase. It was an accident when I touched it. I'm so sorry.
Thank you for telling us the truth, Jack. That took a lot of courage and bravery.
Oh, Jack, the vase was very special, but you are even more special to me than any vase.
Jack, being honest even when you're scared is very important. Do you know why that matters?
Honesty builds trust. When we tell the truth, people believe us and trust us much more.
I forgive you completely, Jack. I love you no matter what happens. Mistakes help us all learn.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. I feel much better now. Let's clean this up together as a family and fix this problem.
Be very careful with the pieces, Jack. We can fix this together.
I want to help fix it. Can we use glue to make it whole again? I have some special glue. Maybe we can fix the vase together as a family.
This is like putting together a puzzle. We need to piece everything back together carefully. My grandmother gave me this vase when I was just about your age, Jack. She told me the vase was special because it represented our family. Every piece matters.
Just like this vase, our mistakes don't mean we are broken. We can always fix things when we're honest. I promise to always tell the truth to you, even when I am scared. That's what good people do.
That's all we want from you, Jack. Your honesty is more valuable to us. You were very brave, Jack. I would have been so scared in your situation.
I learned that honesty is important, even when it feels scary to tell the truth.
Let's make new, wonderful family memories together.
Can we bake cookies together?
That would be so much fun!
Yes, I have always wanted to learn how to bake delicious treats.
I can help mix all the ingredients. I'm good at mixing things together now.
Starting today, we will have family baking days together every week.